Made of durable stainless steel, the MoTak 1000-watt microwave is ideal for commercial settings. The exterior features a dial control that can be set as high as 8 minutes and sports a comfortable metal handle. For convenience, the writing above shows standard set times while the bottom displays basic instructions. The unit's interior spans 1 cubic foot and can be viewed through the glass window embedded in the door. Once each cooking cycle is complete, the microwave sounds an alarm. For more information on this microwave and others like it, call our customer care team or visit us online at KaTom.com.